Did you know your body is doing something incredible right now? Incredible right now?
Stay with me, because these 5 facts will completely blow your mind.
Your stomach gets a brand new lining every 3 to 5 days. The acid inside is so powerful, it could dissolve metal. Right now, your body is rebuilding itself from the inside.
Your brain never stops working, even when you sleep. Even when you sleep.
During sleep, a special system flushes toxic waste from your brain. Skipping sleep literally fills your brain with poison. You have more bacteria in your body than human cells.
Those bacteria control your mood, your immune system, and your decisions.
Your heart generates enough pressure to shoot blood 30 feet in the air. Your heart beats 100,000 times every single day, without you thinking once. Your eyes can detect a single candle from 14 miles away. Your eyes are more powerful than any camera ever built by humans.
Your body is the most advanced machine in the universe. Like and subscribe for mind-blowing facts every week.